To prepare the most delicious cake, we need raisins, 3 eggs, butter 180 grams at room temperature, sugar 150 grams, flour 200 grams, vanilla extract, baking powder 5 grams. Put the butter in a bowl, add sugar to it and start beating. We drive 3 chicken eggs into the mass and continue to beat with a mixer. Add vanilla extract and continue beating. Add flour and continue beating. Add raisins to the resulting mass and mix. Transfer the resulting mass into a baking dish and put it in the oven for 45 minutes. And finally everything is ready and all that is left is to take it out of the mold. And just look at what we have, just delightfully the best cupcake with his own hands ready. Everyone enjoy your appetite. Set the likes and subscribe to my channel.